and welcome back to part 2. I hope you practice and you are anxious and happy to start the part 2. It's really fun and there's not much more to go. We're gonna do it in no time. Again, no time. You like me, right? Say no time. I'm gonna go over the first part, but I will not repeat the part that you should repeat the part. I'm gonna go straight into the section B. So after you have this, and then the left hand it will go these keys: G, D, E over G, A, G, D, E, G, A. So just practice this. It's just like a little arpeggio. Let's say this. You don't actually need to do that. You can skip the entire measure and just go to the ta-ta-ta-tum, right? If it's too hard for you. And then D, E, G on the right hand. D, G, D, E, G, A, D, E, G. And I know we're gonna go into this one. So what do you have here? Nothing complicated. A fifth on the left hand 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Move up. 1, 2, 3, move up. 1, 2, 3, up. And the right hand you have a 6. 1, 2, 3, and move up. 1, 2, 3, up. Both hands on the same time. So E and C 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Move up 1 to F and D. That's all you need to do. And then this one is a little tricky. I want you to practice this. D and G as a fourth and E and G as a third. Just do that a little tiny bit for me. It might help you with whatever is next. So you have this one 2 times and then back 1 time here and then E, D. So let's go again. 1, 2 times back and then E, D. I'm gonna stop here because you need to practice. This is a little offbeat and that's why it sounds so cool. I'm gonna do same with 2 and 4. A, B, A, G, E. So remember this. A, B, A, G, E. Practice this. Just the A and the first A, you start with pushing the D as well. You see that? If you can add an accent on the B, would be even better for the beat. Da, dee, da, da, da. And B, A, G, N. Okay? Da, 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 D, E, D, A, B, A, G, E. D, E, E, D, E, D, A, B, A, G, E. So what I'm singing actually is the middle part here, not the top. D, E, E, D, E, D, A, B, A, G, E. Makes sense right now what I'm doing? D, E, E, D, E, D, A, B, A, G, E. And with the pinky attached, it sounds like that. Da, 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 dee, da, da, dee, A, G, E. You are pretty much done. again. Alright, sounds good. Sounds good. You like it? Okay, so let's recap. So the transition between section 1 and section 2, or section A and section B, it goes here. First time going D, E, B, E, D, A, B, A, G, E. Second time going, start the same D, E, D, A, B, B, E, G. Third time going exactly like the first one. Into the introduction. And then you could repeat the first section A as I did into the first tutorial in the beginning, or you could not, or you could repeat the entire section B, or you could not. It's up to you. I would say you to do it and actually move around. I give you example like doing like that. But this, you can do it after you practice this, okay? So have fun. And then you can come to the part 1 and then goes again. Backwards, and then this, and then one more from here. You go one more down, one key down, all down, and then you ending. Okay, you can do this one just a couple of times just because you see it like vanishing, and then like beginning E-A-D, and then G, and then you can do this chord that it's cool. It's actually a 5th in A, but with a 2nd attached, that means 2nd finger. The pedal goes every measure. So every measure, 1 pedal, 2 pedal, again the pedal, and go 1 pedal, 2nd again, and then again, right again, and another pedal, Okay, if you are more advanced, you can change the pedal after each chord. Change, 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 change. If it's too hard, you just go down, up, or you hold it there for the entire measure. If it's, if you are really slow on changing the pedal. On this part, I would hold it down the entire time. And then here I could do 2 pedals or 1, depends how you like it here. Up or just 1 pedal. So you can do 2 pedals or you can do 1, depends how loud you want to be. 2 pedals, second one, or just 1. Another one. Okay? And then here, one pedal. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please ask me questions and let's meet together soon. I will give you more explanation as fast as I get your questions. Thank you so much.